Okay, everybody, this is a video on how to do the maintenance on a Quadra-Fire CB1200 pellet stove. I'm showing how to do maintenance on the fire bowl. So there's the fire bowl right there. And first you have to pull this side panel out. Then you unlatch this. And then you can open the door. Of course, it needs to be cool. And then you can clean all the stuff out of there. Sometimes it's almost like lava gets built up there and clogs those holes down there in the bottom. So the pellets aren't getting the right ventilation and things aren't burning. So every once in a while you got to open this up and clean that out, get a vacuum cleaner and break all the little, I don't know, slag. It's almost like concrete or something that gets stuck down in there, and you have to burn it. You have to chisel it out with a screwdriver or whatever and clean it out. So once you clean it out, things might be working right again. And there you go.